welcome back to my channel. I am Ashwin, watching your tech and coding channel, My Code Works. So, as in this video, we are going to see how to set up a virtual machine or virtual instance in VMware. And if you want to have two dual OS, or if you want to work on different OS like Ubuntu or any Pirate OS or other OS, right? So at the time we need all virtual machines, right? So where we can install the things, we can like whatever we want to run the software, you can use it, right? So today we are going to set up that. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. So as I already shown you previous video, you can check out the link here in the above icon, that how to set up this VMware in Windows 10, and the same process you can follow for Windows 11. Now we are going to continue with the setting up the new virtual machine. Okay, so in order to new virtual machine, like set up a new virtual, let's click on this and let's see what are the things we need. So first thing, maybe we need a ISO image, right? So I will install the operating system later, and there are three options: install it from here or install it from ISO image. So let's download the ISO images. So first thing, we have to download the ISO image. I want to install Ubuntu, right? Ubuntu ISO download. Okay, and we are going to download the LTS latest stable version of Ubuntu, and this is the latest Ubuntu 24. This is the latest, I think. So let's click on this. It's a 5.8 GB, and think about how much it will take, right? So I'm just going to download it. I think it should be a ISO image only, right? So let's click on this and let's see how much time it will take. You should download system. Okay, so we don't need to sign up for newsletter now. So let's click on this and download it, and let's wait how much time it will take to download for me. And I will stop now and come back again after once it's downloaded. I will come back and I will continue with the things. So for you, it may take. So come up with this Ubuntu ISO image. And then after that we can continue with the installation process or setting up the. So finally my file is downloaded here, and if you see here, it's a 5.8 GB. It's ISO image. So what we can do, we can directly jump into this VMware, and from here we are going to browse this file. As I have downloaded it inside my download folder, so I'm going to give this path, and as you can see that it's not responding at all as of now itself. So let's select this ISO image, and okay, so let's click on next. First file is Redux My Code Works. Okay, same again, My Code Works. Again, My Code Works. My Works. Okay, all are My Code Works. Virtual machine name and location should be this, right? So let me check how much space I have. If I click on this or directly click on this PC, I have still good amount of space, so no issues. I can click on next, and I just don't want to give much, so let's click on next and don't change anything. And after that, let's finish it. Okay, and it will start installing and creating this virtual machine. So if you see this Ubuntu 24.04 is perfectly setup is done here, and let's see whether we are getting the things or not. Okay, so let's click on this and see all the things are installed properly or not. Okay, so if you see here, everything is ready to use, and then we can go ahead with this. We can remove the things, Ubuntu bootstrap. So now Ubuntu is working fine in our system. Install not responding. Please wait this. It will work perfectly, but my system configuration is not well. That's why it is asking us to close this, but I don't want to close. Let's wait for this. Wait it. So we have a lot of things here, and we can go inside this file manager and check the things, right? So let's jump into this. And that's all for the today video. And finally we are able to successfully set up this Ubuntu in VMware virtual instance, as you can see this. And I hope you are able to do also. And if you have any doubt, please reach out through comment section. I will try to help you out. We'll meet in this video for installation and all in Ubuntu. Till that, bye bye, and happy installation, happy setup. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.